You're looking good today. Huh. Hard hat. So we'll do this. Oh, first try. So good. Never tell you that I actually spent a week and a half in college living off of peanut M&Ms. They pretty much have all the food groups. They have chocolate, they have peanuts, they have a nice yellow wrapper. Pretty much all you need to sustain life right there. Hey everybody, Scott with Kitchen and Bath Crate. And today I'm gonna be answering a question for you that we get all the time from potential customers. Why do bathrooms cost so much, right? They're so expensive. You guys, how could it possibly be that they're more than a kitchen? I can't believe it. There's no way that what you're telling me is true. But friends, it's true. And Cheeto, our company mascot, and I are here to tell you a couple reasons why. And those reasons, they fall into two categories. The first category, actual, factual, mathematical reasons why bathrooms cost so much. And the second one, what we call perception-related reasons, kind of cultural-related reasons why it seems like bathrooms cost so much. We're gonna dive deeply into those items, so I hope you enjoy. And grab your own bag of peanut M&Ms, pull up a chair, and here we go with why bathrooms cost so much. All right, so the first reasons that bathrooms tend to cost so much is a simple quantity of plumbing fixtures. Now, plumbing fixtures are expensive, right? I mean, if you look online right now, especially with all the cost increases we see for different products and the scarcity of materials, faucets are going through the roof and other things are just going through the roof. And so plumbing fixtures are a really critical cost element of a remodel project. So let's think about this. Let's think about your kitchen. So close your eyes and imagine you're in there and grandma's bolognese sauce boiling up there with the stove top. And it's just, you got that warm, fuzzy feeling from being in her kitchen back when you were young. But think about it, how many sinks did Grammy have? She had one, right? Maybe a faucet, perhaps a soap dispenser, garbage disposal, and a pot fill if Grammy was big time baller, right? A pot fill? I mean, that's amazing technology right there. Now think about your bathroom. You have at least one sink, if not two. And then of course, each one of those sinks has a faucet or else it's not gonna be very useful. You have a toilet or else it's not a very good bathroom, right? And then also you have a tub or a shower or a tub and a shower, right? So if you add up the number of plumbing fixtures, bathrooms simply have way more plumbing fixtures than kitchens do, and that really drives the cost of bathrooms up. How are we doing, Cheetah? Are we doing well? All right, good. Stay there, buddy. Keep looking good. All right, so the second reason that bathrooms cost so much is the square footage of hard surfaces. Now let's once again think through this. Kitchens, hard surfaces, what do you have? You have countertops, you have backsplash, and then possibly flooring, if you're doing a tile or something like that, but most of the time it's an LVP or something these days, but really you're at countertops and backsplash. That's your square footage of hard surfaces. Now, hard surfaces are inherently costly. Costs a lot of money to buy the material, costs a lot of money to fabricate the material, and costs a lot of money to set the material. Now let's think about your bathroom. Hard surfaces, let's start from the ground up. Your floor in a bathroom is almost always going to be a hard surface, usually a tile product, right? Why? For waterproofing. Then you have your vanity tops, you have your vanity splash. And then you have your shower floor, if it's a shower, your shower walls, or if it's a tub, you have your shower enclosure around the top of your tub. So if you were to add up your square footage of hard surfaces in a bathroom, it's going to sometimes exceed a medium to a large size kitchen. And that square footage alone drives the cost up. And the final logical, mathematical, factual reasons why bathrooms tend to cost so much has to do with layout. Typically kitchens we encounter, the layout that they have is really the best layout. The sink location is where it should be. The appliances for the most part are located where they should be. And there's really not a lot of room to actually do fundamental movement of the layout, but that is just not the case in the bathrooms. Tell you what, in bathrooms, we're moving the tub here and the vanity here and the toilet here, and then we're taking this out, we're putting this in, we're going from tub shower combinations to showers, and we're doing these big shower doors. We're doing all this configuration reconfiguration, the small square footage, and it just drives the cost up. You know why? Because every time you move something, there's something connected to it in the walls or in the ground, right? You can't just move your toilet by itself. It doesn't float. There's not some magical little compartment in your toilet that just causes it to compost in and of itself. It's connected to your drain line. It has a plumbing supply line. So every time you move those things, what does it do to your price? Up, 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 right? And so the last reason that bathrooms tend to cost a lot more than kitchens is there tends to be, in today's design criteria and today's modern day layouts, there tends to be a lot more reconfiguration of bathroom spaces when compared with kitchens. So the next category of reasons why bathrooms cost so much is what I'll call an issue of perception, right? This is something that just seems that way. It's not really based upon mathematics, it's just a perception issue. So the first perception is, how could a space, a bathroom, where I don't do any entertaining, well, I guess you could, where most people don't do any entertaining. How could a bathroom where you don't do any entertaining cost so much more than a kitchen where you host your entire family of 23 every holiday, whether or not you want to, right? How could it possibly be that this small space, the space that no one ever sees except when they're going to actually use the facility, or if it's a master, maybe a certain members of the family are using it, how could it possibly be that those private spaces cost more than your entertaining spaces, right? So that's just a little element of perception of, we kind of think places we entertain in should cost more than places we don't entertain in. Another related element to that is bathrooms tend to be more of a functional space. It's a space where we conduct our functions. Whereas kitchens, right, they're entertaining spaces, and so functional should always be less expensive than entertaining, right? Also, not the case. Another perception related issue is the size or the square footage. My bathroom, it's only 150 square feet. My kitchen, it's 450 square feet. Therefore, my bathroom should be 1/3 the cost of my kitchen, right? Wrong. Rewind the video, go back to the mathematical side of it, and you'll see why the cost per square foot for a kitchen is typically lower than the cost per square foot for a bathroom of comparable level of finishes. And last but not least, the perception-related reason that people think bathrooms cost too much, the HGTV phenomenon, right? HGTV, where you can go in the outskirts of Austin, Texas, and buy a 32-acre property with a 6,000 square foot house and a separate brand new standalone barn. It comes with cattle, it comes with chickens, it comes with hay bales as far as the eye can see, and the grand total, $32,000. $32,000. You can't buy a mid-level sedan in California for $32,000, right? So HGTV has not done us any good when it comes to evaluating the cost of things, right? But here's what I find. This is Scott with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Hi, yeah, I'd like a hall bathroom. Oh yeah, okay, sounds good. How much were you thinking of spending? $10,000. Really, $10,000? Where did that come from? I don't know, I just thought it should cost $10,000. I hear that all the time. Hall bathrooms should cost $10,000, master bathrooms $20,000. I don't know where that number comes from, but I hear it so often I feel like there's some secret list, maybe at the grocery store, of pricing that I just haven't been made party to that says hall bathrooms $10,000, master bathrooms $20,000. I don't know where that comes from, folks, but that's just not the case. So there you are, folks, some actual, tangible financial reasons why bathrooms cost so much, as well as some perception-related reasons why bathrooms cost a lot more than what people think. But at the end of the day, I'll tell you this. We've never, in the history of Kitchen and Bath Crate, had a single bathroom customer that we've worked with that has gotten to the end of the job with us and said, you know, Scott, I really wish I wouldn't have done this project. It hasn't happened once. And I think at the end of the day, people value these spaces, these private spaces where you want to go at the end of the day into your beautiful master bathroom. You want to feel like a spa. You want to be able to walk in, relax, enjoy it, have a nice freestanding soaking tub sitting there, or maybe a beautiful shower that's clean and pristine grout and a beautiful glass enclosure. You know, this cool furniture style vanity or a floating vanity, maybe with some underlighting to it. You just want an oasis you can go into, right? Or maybe if it's your hall bathroom, you're sick and tired. You're sick and tired of entertaining, having people walk into that bathroom that the kids use, right? Screw it all up. It's just an embarrassment. and you want something new. And those are the reasons, folks, why after this many bath crate projects, we've never had a customer tell us they wish they didn't do the project. Thanks so much for your time. I hope this sheds some light onto why bathrooms tend to cost more than people think. Hope there's some good information for you. kbcrate.com or give us a call, 888-995-7996. We'd love to help you with your project or even riff with you about why a bathroom might cost a little bit more than you think. Thanks so much.